how to import XML file on Alight Motion. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you import XML file on Alight Motion. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open application Alight Motion. Alright, so after you open the Alight Motion app, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option templates just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from this template section, you'll get options like upload XML just at the top of your screen. So simply tap on the option upload a XML file. And now from here, you can easily select the XML file whom you want to upload on Alight Motion. And after you select it, you'll have to just tap on the option upload. And after you upload that, you will be able to see that uploaded XML file on your project section. So simply tap on the option project, and from there you can easily find out that XML file, and from there you can easily tap on that XML file, and from here you can easily edit the video on the basis of that XML file. So this is the easiest and simplest method to import XML file on Alight Motion. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.